Alright, so we got a 2020. Let me turn this down. I know y'all can hear me. We got a 2023 Honda truck hybrid CRV. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV. I ain't gonna do too much in this car because it's electric. It don't really be too much to be done. I do like how they got paddle shifters. Oh, we got a TRX truck right there too. Big TRX. I ain't gonna lie. I like how they got the paddle shifters. They got the power button right here. Got a nice little dashboard, carbon fiber. What's this? Oh, you must be able to put something right here. I guess. I don't know what that's for. Calm little media play. Come on, if you gonna go. Oh, no, they daughter fire. I ain't gonna lie. She ain't even look my way. They raising her right. Goddamn. Goddamn. We out. Oh, come on. You wildin', you running the street like that, you old ass. We trying to get hurt. Trying to hurt something. But yeah, like I was saying, we gonna just show you the radio right here. Where the radio at? Nah, you ain't getting me copyrighted. Seatbelt on, cause AD Ron. Only got 2 rows, like a little pickup truck, SUV type beat. Got some icebreakers for y'all stink breath holes. Got 11,000 miles on the dash. Hold on, you gotta turn the AC because it's baking out here where I live at. It's baking out here where I live at. You feel me? And get y'all a little 8 minutes in, so feel me, this video will be monetized. Hold on. Oh my goodness, Hemi on a drive. Like this should be different, bro. Like all electric. Like even the reverse, let me show you how the reverse sound. This shit sound crazy, like on some Tesla shit, like. I don't know if y'all can hear it. It's like a little humming noise. I think the AC too loud, that's why. But yeah. She ain't got no. She got B. What the fuck is B? Y'all let me know what B is. Y'all see that B and then drive. I never saw B before. That's the first time seeing B. We tried the paddle shifters. They look cool. I guess that's supposed to be a sort of kind of manual still. I don't know, bro. These new updated 2023 cars. Come on, mama, see that get. Let me see. You ain't got no gal on your back. You better be happy I'll let you go. You making me mugging at me. You're dirty eyes. You're dirty eyes. You didn't even wash your eyes. Your stink eyes. I'm gonna do one pull over here, make it right, and that's gonna be the end of this little video, cause this is 2023, John. You feel me? A lot of y'all gonna be like, how this shit look? Got everything right here. You got snow, sport. I'm gonna put this bitch in sport mode. Drive this bitch in sport mode. You know I gotta get me a nice little pull for y'all. Oh my goodness. It sound nice though. I love how this shit sound. Like, this my family. I would get this for a family car. I ain't gonna lie. Like, no cap. This definitely a good family car. For all the families out there trying to get got the traction control button right there, but I doubt the mother slide. Like, why do you even have traction control in these cars? Traction control off and on. If you can't even slide. I don't understand that. This shit giga toony, bro. I ain't gonna lie. In sport, this shit is aggressive in sport. I ain't gonna lie. I like this. I like the Honda. Honda never fails me. That's one thing about Honda. They'll never fail you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They would never fail you. But this shit is tough, though. Like, I want to see a little outside. Make sure that a little outside. It's not really too spectacular up here. Like, it's Honda. Regular Honda shit. Real everything electric. Look, on the startup, look how the startup sound. I didn't even show you the startup. That's the thing. It ain't no sound. Oh my goodness. Like, Honda built this electric hybrid. Oh, I'm wild. I gotta edit that part out. They built this electric hybrid It's pretty. Oh, it got a roof. It got a sunroof. I did not know this. Hold on. Nice little sunroof. In 2023 for sure. Let me show you the body in the front, and then show you a little walk. Oh, let me turn the car. Look, you will forget the car is on. Like, feel me? Let me show you the front of this bit. It's a bit hard though. Big body Tonka truck. This is some big body shit, if you ask me. Oh my goodness, look at the intake. What hella shit could be coming in through there? Nah, they did their thing on this one. This shit got hella different shit, bro. Hella different shit going on. I ain't gonna lie. Big 20-inch rims. I see like 2-3 batteries. Big 20-inch rims, like I said. Show you the full walk around of the car type shit. Like, you feel me? Can't show you the license plate. But yeah, you feel me? They did their big one on this one. Honda. Shout out to Honda for this one, man. 6-minute video. I couldn't get it no longer, but y'all know what's going on.